My name is Sean Dundon, and I'm Vice President of Product Management for hosting here at Bluehost. In this demonstration, we're going to walk through purchasing WordPress hosting and a new domain. Our first step is to navigate to www.bluehost.com. At the top of the page, we will select the WordPress dropdown and then click on WordPress Hosting. Once on the WordPress hosting page, click on View Plans or scroll down to view the plans available. Bluehost offers a variety of WordPress hosting options. The basic tier is ideally suited for a single site with moderate traffic levels. The Pro tier is best suited for those who want to host many sites, larger sites, or sites with more substantial traffic. For the sake of this demonstration, we will be purchasing the Pro tier because we're going to be hosting many websites. Select the offering that best suits your needs and then click on Select. Your WordPress hosting will automatically include a temporary domain name for use while you're getting started. But if you know what domain name you will be using for your first website, you should enter that here. If you have not already purchased the domain you're interested in using, then use the Create a New Domain form to purchase it along with your hosting. If you have already registered your domain at Bluehost or elsewhere, then use the Use a Domain You Already Own form so that your hosting can be automatically configured for that domain. If you have not yet decided on a domain name to use, you can skip that step for now. In that case, you will want to select I'll create my domain later. Click Next or I'll create my domain later. Finally, it's time to provide your personal and payment information. Be sure to double check your domain name and email address. Once you've confirmed all your information is correct, click on Submit to purchase. Please wait a moment while your payment is processed and your hosting account is created. Once your account is set up, WordPress will be automatically installed. Once your hosting has been set up and WordPress has been installed, you'll be presented with the option to set up your WordPress site or migrate an existing WordPress site. You'll also notice that your website is using a temporary domain name so you can get started building your website without waiting for your domain name to be configured. We will cover configuring your domain name in another video. For this demonstration, we will go directly to the standard WP admin experience. Click on Exit to WordPress and then on Exit to confirm. Once the WP admin homepage, we can set up our site manually or return to the Bluehost setup wizard. Once finished, click on Bluehost account at the top right to return to your hosting control panel. From your hosting control panel, you can find additional information regarding your hosting account, such as your name servers and disk usage. You can manage your SSH credentials, you can create additional websites, and more. To return to WordPress, simply click on Edit Site for the website you'd like to work on. This concludes our demonstration of purchasing WordPress hosting with a new domain at bluehost.com. If you have any questions, please reach out and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.